Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to draw this portrait with watercolor. So first I have this watercolor. This is from Domes. Now what shades I will be using, I will be showing you now. You can see there are a lot of shades over here. So for the skin tone, I'm going to use this one. This is the flesh tint color which you get in oil pastel. Then comes the little orangish type. This I am going to use for the shading. Then this is little brown color, the lighter one. This is the deeper one. So these four colors I am going to use for the face and the body part. Now next is the eyes. For eyes I am going to use olive green. Then with this I am going to use black. And for blouse I am going to use this green color or this green, the normal viridian or deep green color. And for the sari I am going to use the red color. Now red over here, this is little orangish and this is the primary red color. So these are the colors that I am going to use. Along with this, for highlights I am going to use poster white color. Now for the background, there are three types of yellow. I am going to use this one. This is the medium yellow or gamboge, whatever name of the shade you know. So without wasting any time, let's start with today's video.